Hello, welcome back. So we have a very interesting topic with us today, a very interesting mathematical topic, quadratic equation. So we are going to be solving quadratic equations with known roots. So this means that there is a quadratic equation and it has already been solved and the roots are available. So now you are given those roots and asked to present the quadratic equation that generated those roots by solving for it through that root. So let's take example 1 and practicalize what it means. 1, say construct a quadratic equation with roots 2 and 3. So a question like this means that a quadratic equation has already been solved and has the root of 2 and 3. And you are asked to construct the quadratic equation given only the root. You do not know the root and you are given only the root. If you don't know the equation, you are given only the root and you are asked to construct the equation using the root. What do? You apply the formula for solving for known root quadratic equation, which is x squared minus bracket sum of roots bracket close x plus product of roots. Okay, let's write it complete. So let's apply this non-roots to this formula and see whether we'll come up with this quadratic equation that we are looking for. So this is x squared minus, what is the sum of roots? 2 and 3. So sum means addition. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 divided by x, 5x. So this is plus. And then what is the product of these roots? 2 and 3. So product means multiplication. So 2 times 3 is 6 equal to 7. So this is how we solve for a quadratic equation with a non-root. So just for clarification, I would like to solve to factorize this one here, and let's see whether we are still going to get this root, just for confirmation. So let's try to factorize this quadratic and know whether we are going to arrive back at this root. So to factorize, what are the two factors of plus 6 that you multiply to give you plus 6 and then add together to give you minus 5? I'll go with minus 2 minus 3. So minus 2 minus 3 will give us plus 6. Minus times minus is plus. So minus 2 plus minus 3 will give us minus 5. So it corresponds with this quadratic equation. So let's factor it in. X squared minus, let's go with minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 equal to 7. So let's factor x bracket x. Let's factor out the GCF. S bracket x minus 2. This would be minus 3 x. So minus times plus will give us minus, but there is a plus here, which means it will be minus times minus. So let's put in minus here. Minus 2 equal to 0. So now x becomes x x minus 2, x minus 3. Our x will now become equal to x minus 2 equal to 0, x minus 3 equal to 0. Let me finish it up here. X, we move this over to this side, it becomes a positive, x equal to 2, and x equal to 3. So, this is our final answer. So, as you can see, x is still equal to 2 and 3, which is what we have here. So, this factorization I did is just to portray the point that this formula actually works. So let's take another example on how to solve for a known root quadratic equation. So we have our second example. Derive the quadratic equation with the root 2 and minus 2. So let's apply our formula again. Formula is x squared minus sum of roots s plus product of roots equals 0. So now x squared, what is the sum of the roots? The roots are 2 minus 2. So the sum of this root means adding these two roots together. 2 plus minus 2 equal to 0. So the root of this is 0x plus, what is the product of the root? 2 multiplied by minus 2 will give us minus 4. Minus 4 equal to 0. So we have negative coefficients to this, a negative 0x. So this is practically nothing because 0 doesn't count in this. So this is x squared plus times minus is minus, minus 4 equal to 0. And this is our quadratic that gave us this. So in order not to make this video too lengthy, I won't spend time factorizing this back to this. We are going to have another class on factorization. You can check the link in the comment section below. So let's take one more example that has fractions before we close for this video. So we have our third example. Show the quadratic equation with the roots minus 3 over 2 and 7. So I decided to add this one with fraction just for illustration purposes. So we do the same thing we have been doing. Write down our formula, which is, excuse me, change this pen, which is x squared minus sum of roots x plus product of roots equal to 0. So we have x squared. The sum of these roots is minus 3 over 2 plus 7. Let me solve it here. Minus 3 over 2 plus 7 over 1. So this is 2. 2 into 2, 1. Divided by this equal to 3 over plus. So this is the 2. 2 times this 14. 14 over 2. So this is 17 over 2 minus 17 over 2. minus 17 over 2x. So we have this for this, and then plus the product of roots. So let's multiply, let's change this to multiplication. And then we are going to have 21 over minus 21 over 2. Okay, so let's add that here. Minus 21 over 2 equal to 0. So x squared, this will become minus 17 over 2x plus, now this is negative, addition multiplied by negative is negative, then this is 21 over 2 equal to 0. So this is what we now have. So let's remove the fractions, make them a whole number. So we divide the left hand side through by the LCM. So the LCM is 2. This will become 2x squared minus 17x minus 21 equal to 0. And so this will be our quadratic equation that will give us this. So this is our final answer. So thank you for today's class. I hope you enjoyed watching today's series and you have learned something from it. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next class.